everyone, this is Jeannie Ellis, also known as Scrapbooking Mama, and today I want to share with you my second project using products in the kit that I got from Bead Park. Now the first thing I want to let you know is that I got these pieces here. These came as a set, the dome came with it, and there's a set of 5. And I also got a package of metallic glitter paper, not metallic, but glitter paper, which is gorgeous paper and it's very heavy. It's very nice paper. And I thought, we don't have to make a big um, project that has a lot of detail to it to make something nice. This is an easy thing to do. What I'm doing, or what I did first of all, rather, is that I cut out ovals of different colors from that paper pack, that glitter paper pack. And what I did is that I had traced around the dome and on the back side of the glitter paper and then cut that out. So that's all you have to do is just cut it out to fit. And if you have to adjust, you can easily cut it. So I thought these would be really pretty inside as a bracelet piece. And I'm kind of randomly putting them in here now, and if they don't fit right, just like I said, you can trim them down and see if you can get them to fit better. And I think that even though it's not like perfect fit, it's not going to be shown as far as the edges go, because once the dome is in there, it's going to cover a lot. So there you see, I've got 5 pieces of the metallic paper in there. Now, before I do anything else to them, I need to glue them in. And I'm actually just going to take a little dab of glue, hot glue, and I'm going to set it inside just a little bit. And I'm going to place the paper in there. Now you can use any glue, but this is faster. So I'm going to glue each of these pieces in the little jewel piece, the backing. A little bit of glue, and I want to press it down good enough to where it'll be flat. It won't be all bumpy. If it is, all you got to do is take your heat gun to it and work it out. And I don't think that one's got a bump to it, but just heat it up a little bit and then smooth it back out again. So all you got to do. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glossy accents, and even though I've got a dome to it, I still want to use something that's going to be clear, so the paper won't look bad once it's dry. So I'm just going to press that in there, and you don't want to overdo it because it will run out if you're not careful. I'm going to kind of press that in there. Okay, you can already see, and I can't get any closer for some reason. My webcam did an update and it did some changes to it, and then the Windows update that didn't help it. So anyway, there you go, and we'll let this dry, and I will get on to the next step. Okay, so along with these that I just glued together, I got some medallions, 5 of these too, and they each came with the domes with print on them already. Now you don't have to do these or use them, you can use them for something else, but what I'm going to do is go ahead and use them, and then we'll work on what we're going to do with those two. So now on this one, I am going to use craft glue because the backing is all white anyway, so it's not going to hurt anything. And you can put it in any direction you want, but I'm going to go ahead and go as straight as possible with the alignment. Oops. Actually, I'm changing my mind. This one here is going to be glued. It's glued with that other, with the tacky glue. But I'm going to try my jewel glue on each one here. This is just so easy. If you want to do an easy, quick project for somebody, here it is, right here. I gotta warn you, the jewelry glue does not smell good. I usually wind up getting it on my fingers. So here we go. I'm going to turn this one this direction. These would make great earrings. And then you could do a necklace as a match for it. I'm going to turn this one this way. Now this is jewelry glue, so it smells, and I have a problem with using jewelry glue because of my chest, but it gets into my lungs real bad ever since I had an accident. Okay, so now we've got these here, and they're drying, and when they're dry, we'll work with what we want to do with them. So I'll be back. Okay, I have my pieces all glued together, and now I'm starting to connect them, and I'm going to see how, if I can do it, just adding a jump ring to make it a bracelet. So we're going to try that first before anything else, just to see how it looks. And I'm going to take a jump ring and open it up. Remember to always open it forward, side, front to back, not side to side. And I'm going to take this one. And then I'm going to take this one and connect it together. And then if I can get hold of it. And I'm just going to do it to the others. Okay, now I've got all 5 pieces together, hooked together, connected, not hooked, but connected. And it looks like it's going to, it looks like it's going to fit pretty good. I've got all pieces connected. What I'm going to do next is, before I try to add anything else to it, I am going to add some links to each end. I'm going to do this one and then do another one. Oops, I can get hold of it. Let's just do it this way so I don't lose it. I'll just do it one at a time because, as you see, I'm not hanging on to it that well. I think what I'm going to do is add 3 of these. Okay, so I got 3 links on there. We'll see if that is right. I'm going to take the last ring, jump ring. I'm going to find the opening, of course. I'm going to add this to it because the color of it is closer. I don't want a bright, shiny chrome on it. So on it, that brushed aluminum, I guess you call it. I'm not sure what that would be called, but it would match better. This is too big because I can slip it on and off without unbuckling it. So I am going to again take another ring off of each side because I don't want it to be that loose on me. So I'm going to take this ring off. Now let's see if it'll work. Okay, there is the bracelet part, as you can see, all done, and it came out really pretty. And now I'm going to take this off. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and work on a necklace. Now I don't want this to be a real long necklace, so I'm putting this piece here. This will be the center of the necklace, and it marks you, it tells you how big you want your necklace. I think a 20-inch would be fine. So I'm going to take my chain. I'm going to go to 20-inch. Okay, and then I'm going to snip off some of it, a piece of it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, before I add the charm to it with a link, a jump ring I mean, I'm going to add a jump ring to each end. I always have a hard time seeing the little opening. There it is. And it looks like this is my 0 point, so I'm going to hook it right there. And hope it works. If it doesn't, I'll just either take it out or just do it differently. I'm wearing it right now and you can't see it, but it is in the center, so that's good. So we have the necklace here. And it came out in the center, which is amazing to me that I made it come out in the center. Even with tools, sometimes I have trouble. So now I need to get some more jump rings. Now I am going to take a jump ring. Just real simple. I've got 4 jump rings. I'm going to put 2 on each earring. There's 1 earring. And I think, you got a really pretty set there. Now I'm going to take the other one. This is such an easy project to do, and it'll make a great gift for someone. Christmas, birthday, anniversary, anything actually. Or just thinking of you. We have a whole set of jewelry here. This one and this one. Then you have the necklace. And then you can have a bracelet, and it doesn't really go with those. But, some of the colors do, so it wouldn't hurt. But I don't know if I would do that. But anyway, you've got some new jewelry here that was an easy set to do, and it came out really pretty. The bracelet is heavy and enduring, it looks like. Okay, after I got done with the necklace, where'd I put that? After I got done the necklace and the other bracelet and the earrings, I thought, maybe I can make a chain bracelet to go with this too. And you have a whole complete set, since I had some of the charms left over. So I am going to take one of these. I had 2 left, and I'm going to take one. And I am going to grab a jump ring. I'm going to place it on here, and then I'm going to put it right here in the middle. Whoop, maybe. Let me start that over because I sure don't want it to be off. Although with it being a bracelet, you can, that turns on you anyway, so I guess it wouldn't be too bad. But I prefer to get it on there. Into the loop. Much easier, Jeannie. And then into the jump ring, in the charm, onto the jump ring. Then I'm going to close it up. We're going to see what this looks like. And then I'm going to add a piece over here to this end for the jump ring to attach to the hook. If I find that I need to add more chain to it, it's easy to do. You treat it just like you would a jump ring. You just open them up and add to them. So that's no big deal. In fact, I did that with the necklace because once I got it all done, I discovered it wasn't as long as I wanted it for that big of a piece, because that's a pretty good size. So you really, it needed to be longer in my opinion for what's worth department. All right, now you have a charm. And because I can't do it myself, I'll probably have to have my husband hook it when he gets back. But anyway, I'm just going to take it and close it up. My husband has to put my bracelets on for me because I just can't do that anymore. Okay, so let me move all this out of the way. Okay, so now you have a bracelet. You have a necklace. And you have a pair of earrings to go with it. So you have a 3-piece set. Earrings, bracelet, and necklace. Now, isn't that awesome? And that was all out of getting this set, which included the covered dome. I already had a print on it. And this back setting. All I had to do was glue the 2 pieces together, and then I did what I wanted to design with them. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? I just love it. I think they came out really, really good. So I hope you will stay tuned and come back for the next one. I will be doing another video. I'll be doing one more video, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.